How to create InterLink account. Complete step-by-step guide. Welcome to the second video of InterLink Network series. In the last video of this series, we uncovered the biggest flaw in today's crypto mining projects, especially Pi, and revealed how InterLink is fixing it with real human-first verification, one token per person fairness, and a limited supply reward system called IGLTs. We also showed how InterLink Labs isn't just another project, it's backed by Google for startups, covered by mainstream tech media, and already aiming for a future New York Stock Exchange listing. Facts that prove this project is built for real impact. Unlike Pi, where mining starts without KYC and later requires original ID documents, InterLink does not collect any document. But yes, you cannot mine a single token without passing their strict video facial verification. This shows how serious they are about real humans, not bots. If you missed that first video, you've skipped the foundation, so I highly recommend watching that too.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
Video background. This current video, the second of InterLink Lab Network series, is a complete video tutorial on how to create an InterLink Network account. Complete step-by-step guide. Dear friends, to make this video initially, I created an account on one of my own devices, but unfortunately, some important parts couldn't be screen recorded. So I created another account using a friend's device and recorded the process again. In the video, I won't present both recordings separately. Instead, I've combined the screen recordings from both devices to create one seamless tutorial. This way, any missing steps or visuals are properly covered for your better understanding. So, if you notice any differences in account names or details, don't be confused or overly suspicious. It's all done to give you a clearer and more complete guide. Watch this video till the very end, because even a small mistake during sign-up or verification can block your rewards or delay your mining start. Don't risk it. Follow step by step and start earning InterLink tokens the right way from day one. Let's start the video without any further delay. Sign up with InterLink and account creation. Go to the description of this video and find this referral link or invitation link of InterLink Network. Tap the link. It will redirect you to the Play Store or Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. Proceed with the installation. Once installed, open the app. Make sure to allow InterLink Network to send you notifications. This is important. Otherwise, you may miss the frequent notifications of airdrops from InterLink. Tap on Get Started Now, then tap Sign Up. Now, create your InterLink ID. It's better to use an ID with at least 7 to 8 digits. Make sure to note down this ID in a safe place, like a notebook. Next, set up your 6-digit passcode. You must remember this passcode. Keep it safe. It's just like the passphrase in Pi Network. If you lose it, you won't be able to log in again. Now, re-enter your passcode to confirm. Choose a sign-up method. To avoid complications, I recommend selecting Sign Up with Gmail. If you have multiple Gmail accounts on your device, select the one you want to use. And that's it. We've successfully created our InterLink Network account. Tap OK and log in to the app using the credentials you just set. Enter your InterLink ID, then your passcode. Choose your login method. Of course, select the same Gmail account you used during sign-up. Tap I've got it. And here it is, the home page of the InterLink Network app. The first and most important part of our InterLink account creation is now completed in principle. Entering referral code. Now let's move to the next critical step, entering the referral code. It's important to note that in the InterLink Lab Network, adding a referral code is mandatory. Without it, you won't be able to start mining at all. Tap on the Account menu at the top right corner of the app. Now, tap on the Referral tab. You may see this pop-up. Just close this window for now. Then, tap on Submit Now. In the field provided, enter the referral code 041456. Tap Submit. And here it is. We have successfully completed process of referral code entry. Video facial verification. To receive your reward, which is called Human Hash Power, and start mining of ITLGs, you must complete a video facial verification process by tapping Verify Now. This process is similar to KYC verification in the Pi network. If you didn't receive this prompt, or if you accidentally tapped Maybe Later, don't worry. You can start it manually by tapping this tab that says Not Verified Yet. At this point, you must allow InterLink app to take pictures and record video. Otherwise, the verification will be canceled. Tap Allow using the app. Now, InterLink will start recording your facial video. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Wait for a while, and here it is. We have successfully completed another crucial phase. Once completed, your verification status will update, and you'll see here, I am a human, verified by face scan. Username customization. Next, let's do a bit of customization. This is your username. The last part of it contains your InterLink ID, which cannot be changed. But the first part, taken from your Gmail account, can be edited. To customize it, tap on this pencil icon. Here, I'll change the name to match my brand, DIGITDON. Our username has now been successfully updated. Mining ITLGs. Now, when all is set up, it's time to start mining of ITLGs. Tap on this tab to start your first mining session. And here it is. We've successfully started mining IGLT tokens, the native cryptocurrency of InterLink Network. So that's it. Your InterLink account is now fully registered, the gateway to a truly human-first crypto journey. Make sure you've followed each step carefully, especially the referral and verification parts, or else your mining may never begin. What's next? The possible emulator detected issue. In our next video, we will tackle a serious issue that millions of users are facing during the facial video verification step on InterLink. As soon as they begin the verification, this frustrating error pops up. Possible emulator detected. We have detected that your device may be running in an emulator environment. For security reasons, please use a physical device to continue. What's shocking is, this error appears on all kinds of devices, even if you're using a perfectly normal smartphone. YouTube and other forums are flooded with people asking how to fix it, but no one seems to have a clear answer. If you are also stuck with this issue, your search ends here. In our next video, we will take a real case where this error occurred and solve it live for you. So don't miss it. Till then, take care.